This is an ancient but yet a mysterious place. It is located in the heart of Ouidah in Benin Republic. This is not just an ordinary temple. It is a realm where pythons slither through the shadows and the spirit of the voodoo dances at the edge of reality. A place greatly visited by a multitude of different people from the different parts of the world in the globe at large. A place that is ready to teach you about the history of the python and the voodoo religion. And this is no other place but the Python Temple in Ouidah. And guess what, guys? There's an intriguing thing. This Python Temple is just opposite the church. So my love, you just have to stay tuned to the end of this video to get the full gist of the story. So welcome back to another video, ladies and gentlemen. It's your girl again, Fave Opera, a female Nigerian traveler who picked interest in traveling and is trying to share her experiences with you and the world at large. So welcome back to my channel, and please just before we get into this video proper, please don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to turn on your notification bell so you are alerted anytime I post new videos. And please share this video to someone needs to know about this place, okay? Now, just before I give you a tour of what the inside of this temple looks like, let's quickly take a look at this statue that caught my attention just outside. Okay, now can you quickly look at the details of this? This is a woman, as we all can see, and if you notice the intricate carvings on the body of this statue, you see pythons, and it's not just one python. I noticed that there's a python above her shoulder that runs from one hand to the other hand. Aside this, her neatly beautiful attire. And then I noticed another python just on her arms, as you saw earlier. And then a funny thing, I noticed that these kids were not really scared of hanging around. At first, I wouldn't lie, I was scared. And yeah, another important thing is that I need you guys to take note of this event festival. The Voodoo festival is coming up in December, so you visit Benin Republic just in case you want to take part of what the Voodoo religion is all about. In my previous video, I visited the Museum of Zinzel Foundation and gave a tour of it, and during my tour I found this beautiful statue, which also is in affiliation with that of the one at Python Temple. You do want to visit that museum or check the video out to get more details about the Voodoo religion. Now let's get into the temple and hear about the history of the Python and Voodoo religion.
Okay, you are welcome. This python we worship doesn't have it is a royal python. We worship the python in modest because why we worship the python? Because the python is good. The python is a protection. Doesn't have it. Because we call it Iroko. This we have on the first everything January for the celebration of the festival. We kill a sheep, beef, chicken. We get to this. Is the black magic. First pronunciation of Ouidah and Ouidah. they bring the water, they use it for Ouidah. But here it is a mud pot. When they bring the water, they put the water inside this pot. And the original of this pot is gone. And we use this pot every 7 weeks. We return this pot every 7 weeks. The last time is 2017, the next week 2024. But in the past, we found virgin girls, 16 or 18. But now it's very difficult to select virgins. That's why they are made up with that. We are rappers. Otherwise, they should be naked. And I continue.
Yes, you can.
Here it is a room of the purification.
Okay.
You can see it's down. To go inside this room, we should back down. The action to back down, you are making powder for your business. Excuse me, is it question? To go inside is for only initiated person can go inside. For what? When they make something back, like they go to the mosque back with their shoes or at it's pretty forbidden to them. That they will go inside to purify themselves. They will stay inside for 3 hours, never eat, never drink anything. And red chicken, never beat the dog. Python can live more than 40 years. Put the python on your neck is a protection. It's also a life.
Inside this cave, there are about a total of 38 pythons here, and it is said that the females are longer than the males and they live for about 45 to 50 years. They also let them out twice in a month to go out and feed themselves, and they also come back by themselves, but then they feed on small animals like rats, chicken, and just small animals like she said earlier in the video. Another important fact is that these pythons are said to be very danger free. They do not have venoms, they are not poisonous, and they do not bite. Even as a foreigner, you can also be allowed into the temple to pray and seek the gods while you make some peace offerings. As a foreigner who visited this python temple, you would see a particular spot dedicated for artifacts and souvenirs, and you can always choose from the so many options and have yours. And if you've gotten to this part of the video, please don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to share the video. If you're not subscribed yet, I don't know what you're waiting for. Do well to hit the subscribe button and tap on the notification bell to join us here. Stay alerted anytime I post new videos, okay? So now let me now give you the gist of why I think this particular Python temple is just directly opposite the church. According to my findings, I found out that the owners of the Python temple was actually the ones that gave the land to the church for it to be built. I hope you actually enjoyed this particular video. Till I come your way again next time, don't forget to embark on adventures. Bye for now.